Alright, people. Just because I can, because I want to, we're gonna make a whole chicken tonight. Even though it is a very epic fail. What I was gonna say is it's very precious to me, but we're gonna put just a little or homemade butter on this thing. Hate myself for dropping that. I hate myself. Okay. As you can see, I already stuffed one up the pooper here of, some store-bought butter. Since things are just going wild tonight. I'm gonna hit this bad boy. A little Himalayan rock salt. The pink stuff. A little bit of regular sea salt. Season all. You really can season all with it. Here we go. Oh, I'm about out. Oh, she's gone. Onion powder. Alright. We are now going to baste this bad boy with some garlic butter that I just made up. And then she'll be ready to rock. Don't be shy with that. Yeah, I got my my daughter's frozen bowl here from when she was a little younger. Just makes a lovely butter bowl. What can I say? But yeah, and then we'll baste this bird a couple times throughout cooking. See how she ends up, y'all. She's looking pretty good. Any luck, I can drop just a little bit more butter on the ground tonight, though. No, not funny. About fell. It's slick in here. Alright. That'll be all. Into the oven she goes. Dun, dun, dun. Listen to that sizzling coming out of the oven. Yeah, we'll just hit it with some of that hot butter. Some good stuff there, y'all. The good stuff. Check the temp here in a sec. See if we need to, how much longer I should say we need to bake this.